A is for asphalt paver, asphalt paver. It lays smooth roads for cars to drive. B is for bulldozer, bulldozer. It pushes heavy dirt with its powerful blade. C is for concrete mixer, concrete mixer. It mixes cement to build strong structures. D is for dump truck, dump truck. It hauls heavy loads of dirt and rocks.
E is for excavator, excavator. It digs deep holes with its big bucket on. F is for front loader, loader. It scoops up soil to clear the way. G is for grader, grader. It smooths the ground to make it level. H is for haul truck, haul truck. It carries heavy loads to construction sites. I is for industrial crane, industrial crane. It lifts heavy beams high in the sky. J is for jumbo dumper, jumbo dumper. It moves huge loads of dirt in one go. K is for knuckle boom loader, knuckle boom loader. It loads logs and materials with its flexible arm. L is for loader, loader. It moves gravel and sand with ease.
M is for motor grader, motor grader. It shapes roads and levels the ground. N is for narrow excavator, narrow excavator. It works in tight spaces, digging with precision. O is for off-road truck, off-road truck. It travels on rough terrain with strength. P is for pickup crane, pickup crane. It lifts and moves heavy items on site.
Q is for quarry dump truck, quarry dump truck. It hauls massive rocks from deep in the quarry. R is for road roller, road roller. It flattens roads to make them smooth. S is for skid steer loader, skid steer loader. It's compact and great for quick jobs. T is for tower crane, tower crane. It builds skyscrapers reaching the sky.
U is for utility loader, utility loader. It's versatile and handles all kinds of tasks.
V is for vibratory roller, vibratory roller. It compacts soil to make it strong. W is for wheel loader, wheel loader. It loads dirt and materials onto trucks. X is for excav hauler, excav hauler. It's built for comfort on long hauls.
Y is for yard truck, yard truck. It moves trailers around construction sites.
Z is for zip line crane, zip line crane. It carries supplies across tricky areas. From A to Z, we've learned today. Construction vehicles working every day. Let's drive them again, come sing with me. Building with machines is fun, you'll see.